Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS cake box. As you can see, we have three different thickness. This is the 133 mm. This box thickness is 151 mm. The third one thickness is 202 mm. They have two extra information I want to share with you for this mold. First, based on the request from our customer, the lid and the bottom of the box must be tied closely. So even you shake with it, it still stay together. This is the first point. The second thing is, as you can see, this is the surface of this EPS box. You cannot see the EPS ejector and the filling gun position. So it will install in the back side of this EPS box lid. This is pretty much everything I want to share with you for this mold. For more information about EPS box mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more video like this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.